Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm driving, my girlfriend is at home. I'm driving the W123 again. Let's start the engine, pre-glow it. It's so beautiful, this car, oh my god. And as you can hear, the radio, I've installed a new, I had to put the music out because of the music off, because of the copyright. Otherwise I will get a claim on this video. But I've installed a new radio in it a few months ago. There we go. Beautiful diesel sound. As you can see, this is the handbrake. Now it's not turned on and now it's turned on, as you can see. For the people who don't know that, normally you in a car you have here the handbrake, but now in the W123 it's at that place. This is the headlight switch. A lot of you will know that, but because that is very normal in a car. And this is to get the handbrake off. And as you can see, I never know this, but there's a light. If you have the handbrake turned on, the light will go on, and when you turn the handbrake off, the light will also turn off. Yeah. What can I say about it? It's a beautiful car, very reliable, like I've said many times in every video, because it is. I've never had an accident with this, I've never had that the engine was fallen out or something, or how do I call it? My English is very bad, but yeah, never had any problems with it, any issues, and I'm very happy with that. And that's the reason why my dream car is exactly this car, but in a station, dus in an estate, a wagon. I'm saving for it right now, and I hope, my goal is to get my dream car in a few months, I hope, before my birthday, and that's at the 19th of July. 19th of July, I don't know how I need to say it, but yeah, July 19th of, I don't know, but yeah, then it's my birthday, and I hope I can get my wagon, W123 station wagon, at that before my birthday. And it's my dream to have a mattress in the bag. Now it's very messy here. I have a thing. Oh no, I can't show you. If you want to support me to buy my dream car, you can buy my merchandise. There on the, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there I have my own merchandise. I will show it. And that are beautiful clothes. Beautiful, that's a beautiful hoodie. I have also a beautiful t-shirt, which I have on now, but it's a bit cold, so I decided to put a random Corvette shirt above it. It's also nice, but I don't sell that. I've bought at the thrift shop. So let me show you. This is that beautiful hoodie. You can buy it in the description. If you have any questions about it, you can ask me in the comments down below this video, and maybe I can fix a discount or something for you. And you support me with it, and I almost make no money with it, but every euro, every cent helps me to get my goal. But look at this, guys. Yeah, this is already my dream car. It's so beautiful. And if you hear all the sounds of an Oldtimer, you can really hear how good it is, how solid it's built. Even the hood caps, I don't know how you call it, but yeah, it's so reliable. Sometimes you see that they don't have the stars on it because they are stolen, but this one has one. I've replaced this door because someone bumped into it. That was very sad, but yeah, not. I can't do anything about it, so I've replaced it, and yeah, it is what it is. And if you hear the exhaust on this, it's so hot, it's nice, and the smell of a diesel, I like it. Here I can show you the trunk. Oh, I have to put this in the fridge, I think. I have some burgers, or I can do a barbecue. Yeah, I can roast it here, but it's a bit cold, and I feel very lonely right now. But yeah, this is the car. Let's go inside, because like I said, it's a bit cold, and yeah, let's take this beautiful W123 for a drive, guys. I hope you can stand here. If you don't, yeah, I hope you guys don't will not fall off. And this steering wheel is so giantly big. Always, if there are friends, oh, there it goes already. Always, when there are friends of mine who sit in this car for the first time, they always say, "Whoa, that's a big one." That's what she said. Okay, now that's that's also what she said. But yeah, she's at home. But let me explain it. It's a very big steering wheel, very big, and yeah. Spoken about my girlfriend. My girlfriend is is getting her driver's license soon. She hopes. It's a lot of work in the Netherlands. It's a lot of work to get your driver's license. She needs to get She needs to take about 40 lessons. 40, not 14, but 40 lessons. It's a lot, and yeah, each lesson costs around 50 euros or so. I think, I don't know, but it's yeah, it's crazy, guys. In the Netherlands, getting a driver, I don't know how it is in your country, but in the Netherlands it's very expensive to get your driver's license. And yeah, there are pretty much a lot of rules that you have to know, and that's yeah, bad. But besides that, there are yeah, I got my driver's license now, and it took me about half a year or something, so that was pretty fast. But yeah, some people are busy with it for about 2 years, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, what I wanted to say is, if my girlfriend gets her driver's license, then she will buy a W123 also, or a Ford Mustang, or a VW bus, the VW C1, but that's a bit expensive, and the Ford Mustang is also a bit expensive. But before I even know my girlfriend, she had this particular car on her list that she wants to buy in the future. So that was very funny. That yeah, before we even know each other, she had 3 cars on her list, and that was a Ford Mustang, a Dodge Charger or something, and a W123. That yeah, it's funny. But yeah, it is a beautiful car. Also, it's a very simple car. It's a boxy car. If you ask anyone to draw a car, then you will get exactly this car. It's literally a box on 4 wheels, but yeah, it has something, and it has a bit of chrome, and yeah, I like it. The Volvos from this same year, yeah, I like less because of yeah, they have not so much chrome on it, and that yeah, that I like the chrome. I like the beautiful glittering things of the cars, and that makes it shiny, and that makes it beautiful, I think. But yeah, it's it isn't the most beautiful, most screaming beautiful car or something, but yeah, it is beautiful. If you have a Ford Mustang or something, that's a total different car. It's a muscle car, and that's very, very nice, but you can't rely on it that much as a W123. A W123 is very reliable, and I know I can have it for my entire life, and I can drive it for my entire life, and that's a feeling that makes me very happy. And yeah, that I think you don't. Yeah, you can't have that feeling with every car. If you see the cars of today, yeah, they all. If you tap on it, they are, yeah, less solid, less reliable, I think. And you can feel it when you drive in it. When you tap on it, you can feel it. And yeah, that's why I don't like nowadays cars. But yeah, here is a car that can't go through, so it's going through. I always, I know this car very good, so I can drive pretty close to objects, and I'm not scared to touch it, because I know this car, and I know I even don't have to look in the side mirror or something. I can't even see anything from this perspective, because it's not. It's a bit of in the wrong position. But yeah, I don't look in that mirror, because I know this car. And if I'm parking with this car in a parking spot, then I look above my shoulder. I turn my head and I can see everything. And that's very nice about these cars also, because you have a sort of fish, a fish. How do I say it? An aquarium. It's almost like an aquarium. It's so you have windows everywhere, and that's very nice, I think. Let's do a quick roundabout, or a drive about on the roundabout. And look at this view, guys. Yeah, I really can't wait until I have my dream car, because then I'm going to make so much videos with this car. I will explain everything about that car to you, and let you see everything of that car. Yeah, I can't wait. It's a lot of money. I hope I can find an S123, a W123 wagon for about 10,000 euros. I hope it. It's very much money, but I'm saving for it, like I said, and hopefully I can get it before my birthday. It will be. I will gonna cry. I think I'm going to cry when I have it. Oh my god! But like I said, if you like to support me, you can always check the link in my bio, and you can buy my hoodie, my t-shirt. Like I said, I don't earn a lot of it, but every dollar, every euro makes sense, and that's and you get a beautiful hoodie, and that's also nice. And it's not because I'm selling it, but it is nice. I can show you. The quality is also, I can't show you because it's folded up. It's folded up very, very nicely by my girlfriend, so I wouldn't ruin it. But if you can see, this is it. I don't know if you can see it very good, but it's a very nice t-shirt. If you want to support me, you can buy it. And let's turn off the engine. Oh, it's a lovely sound also. The turn off sound of the W123. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye guys.